Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you all are doing well with your studies. In this particular video, we are going to talk about the new exam pattern for your JIB and CIB, and what is the new time limit, and what is the passing criteria for your upcoming JIB and CIB examination 2023. Right. Earlier we generally discuss about the new notice which is released by IIBF, the exam conducting body, and as per this particular notifications, there are certain changes in the examination pattern as well. So we discuss about the change syllabus or the areas. Now we will talk about the some other areas like passing criteria and your new exam pattern and all. Right. So first we have time limit, right? The time limit which is defined by IIBF. So to pass any examination like JIB, CIB or DBF, so for all these, now you'll have a candidate will have 5 attempt, maximum 5 attempt. So what does it mean? Let's say you enroll today for the upcoming June-July CIB examination. So within for the next within 3 years you have to clear this particular examination. So what does it mean? In next 3 years IIBF going to conduct this particular examination 6 times. So out of these 6 attempts you have to clear your CIB examination within 5 attempts, right? So now the case is, let's say if you won't be able to clear this particular examination within this 3 years or 5 attempts, whichever is earlier. So now in that particular case, candidate have to re-enroll for that particular examination, and that will be counted as one as well. Okay. So the candidate unable to pass the examination within a maximum time of 3 years or 5 attempt, whichever is earlier, will be required to re-enroll themselves afresh. Like such candidate will not granted for subject pass or any other thing. Let's say you clear few subjects, so there will be no credit for these kind of candidates. So please guys, like as you know, 3 years is more than enough time, and even hardly 1% candidate those who go for this particular one, but still you need to know about these particular things. Sometimes you enroll, then you become busy in your like other activities, or your due to your bank branch load and all. So whenever the only suggestion is, like, when you prepare, when you have time, then only enroll for this particular examination, right? Time limit of 3 years or 5 attempt, whichever is earlier, will start from the date of registration. So please do remember this thing. So the only advice is ki whenever you're ready with your preparation, or whenever you have time in your hand, so then register yourself for this particular examination, or like for JIB or for DBF or for SOB or CIB examination. So time limit, hope this is clear to each and everyone. Now next thing, we have examination pattern as per new syllabus. So now you'll get handed question, there is no change, handed question, and you have to answer these particular question within 120 minutes, which is 2 hours, right? So you'll get handed question, and the overall duration for your examination will be 120 minutes, which is 2 hours. Third thing is, that is passing criteria under the revised syllabus. Now what is passing criteria? It is also, like, we can say it is same as previous one, but this time you have number of subject, you have the number of subject that got increased. So you need to be careful about this thing. Okay, so minimum marks for pass in each subject is 50 out of 100, which is 50%. So you have to score 50%, which means you have to score 50%. Candidate scoring at least 45 marks in each subject, which is an aggregate of 50% marks in all subject in a single attempt, will be also declared as completed the examination. Now what is this? Let's say you score in subject 1 you score 45, subject 2 you score 55, subject 3 in case of JIB you scored, let's say 60 marks, and subject 4 you scored 50 marks. So the aggregate of all these 4 subject is more than, it is more than 50%. So in that particular case you will you will be declared as a for you will be eligible for that particular certificate, whichever it is, like it can be JIIB or it can be CIIB or DBF, right? So please do remember this particular calculation as well. Sometimes these small calculations, they generally help students or candidate to pass that particular examination. So guys, here we generally talk about the number of attempt. So you have 5 attempt in your hand, and you have, like, within 5 attempt or within 3 years you have to clear that particular examination. You will get 100 question, and the given time duration will be 120 minute, or which is 2 hours. And the passing criteria, so your score should be 50%. Okay, the passing criteria is 50%. If in case in any subject you get 49 or 45, so you will get grace, but the overall mark should be more than 50%, right? So hope you get these particular thing clearly. Still, if you have any query related your JIIB or CIIB, so do mention in comment section. I'll definitely come with some videos that is going to help you in your upcoming examination. And if you like the video, please do like and do share with your friends. And if you're new to our channel, so please do subscribe. So this is it. I'll see you soon with some new videos that will definitely help you in your upcoming examination. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care all.